Good morning, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It is 9:59 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday morning, September 5th, 2021. This is not financial advice. The video is intended for educational purposes only. Click the subscribe and the bell. Get subscribing. Share the video to your friends who are interested in getting in at the ground floor. I think it would be great. Also, the thumbs up if you want folks to see Nucypher and a little bit more coverage. I think there's a lot to offer that, in the Web 3.0 space. And Intraday Updates are in the Twitter link below the video. Let's look at the markets. Actually, a small rally here going on with Nucypher. Nothing dramatic, but still, we're still on this line. This red line or orange line is on its way up. It's making its move. Now, this is the broadening wedge we talk about within the yellow lines. It's bullish, in my opinion. Certainly reversed out of it. Now the question is, how hard and fast can we go up? Could we sling further up like that, or can we stay on this line? The line actually puts us into a projection, which is $1.51. Now my mid-range projection for Nucypher US dollar is $1.16. So, again, it's, who knows exactly where it's going to end up. I'm not a financial advisor, but the charts are telling me, we're definitely on our way back. Now, there's a video. I'll post the end of year prediction that I did back in May or June to kind of go through that. But in the meantime, we are still on the uptrend in Nucypher. Going over to the Nucypher Bitcoin pair. All right, so I very recently drew this dotted line here. This is kind of like the basement. Consider like that as the basement of your house, and consider the orange line as your first floor. Now, what happens is we kind of stay over. We're hanging out on the first floor most of the time, but sometimes we got to go down into the basement. And that's exactly what that dotted line is. Terrible analogy. Look, it's the bottom line is it obeys this dotted line here. It's a pretty strong line of support, but also it kind of also more than often stays above this orange line. Now, we're above the orange line right now, so we're still on the first floor. Now we want to go to the high rises. The high rises are up here. We want to get back to the 800 to 900 range where we once were a while ago. And it's been a few months now. So I think, it's time to roost here if it's a hen. So let's get going, Nucypher. What we also want to know is what's going on with the new date. We want to know, as Nucypher investors, token holders, etc., that we would like to know when the Keanu network, the combination of the Keep and Nucypher kind of hybrid network, when that will actually be deployed. I don't know that we're going to have an answer to that anytime soon, but according to initial thoughts from the companies, has been sometime third, fourth quarter, but it's there's no specific timing on it. So we have to kind of wait and see. They're certainly hiring a Nucypher, so that's a good sign. Bitcoin US dollar, on the other hand, is also very bullish. So, look, we keep toiling with that green line. We're 50,187 right now. Not concerned one bit. And finally, excuse me, let me get rid of that. On the Bitcoin dominance pair, look how creepy. This is a creepy crawler right here. It's like a little spider sitting on that bottom line there. I think this is, again, Bitcoin dominance going down means altcoins are more favored in this environment. So that directional move down means that altcoins are more favored than Bitcoin. So take that with it. So since the end of July to now, there's been a big favor of altcoins over Bitcoin. Anyway, so my projection right now with this is we're going to continue up this line. Look, it's the 3-day weekend here in the States. We'll continue to obey the orange line is my thought. And I think we're going to wind up staying over this orange line. This Monday, Tuesday coming up should be pretty, I'm feeling like we might see a little bit of bullishness once people are back from their vacations and, and Asia comes back. Actually, Asia comes back tonight. I don't think they have a day off tomorrow. So should be sort of interesting to see how this plays out. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.